as peasants sing the carols. They're so mad at me. They're like, Nick, take your bite. Oh my god.
You tell them all the Europeans that complain of food in their countries.
I did.
We're just here eating on overpriced croissants.
They can't see me. They can't see me. Hi.
Do you need anything else, sweetie?
Excuse me,
Wish I didn't see that.
I'm eating back here now. Hi, I'm eating back here now.
Good. You might fit on the frame now. We're divorcing.
I know we're divorcing. I know we are. Look at you, you're so fat you can't even sit in a chair. I got fat because of you. I was skinny when you met me. Boo-hoo. That's every married couple. I'm looking for these quail eggs.
They're barely living.
I'm gonna have some of the cheese.